Hello students. Today in this video I will explain you exercise 2a. So in this exercise you will learn how to add or subtract the likes and unlike terms. So first question is add the following. Here you will observe that four terms are given and all these four terms are like terms. Why these are like terms? Because all these alphabets are same. So in order to add these terms, what you have to do, first of all, in place of comma we have to take plus sign. So 2ab plus minus 3ab we have to take in bracket because two signs are coming together, plus 5ab plus 1 upon 2ab. Now next step is you have to open this bracket. 2ab plus and minus will become minus 3ab plus 5ab plus 1 upon 2ab. Now next step what you have to do, this is plus 2. All these are like terms. So first of all we will solve these two. Plus 2 and minus 3, answer will be minus 1ab. And if you will add this minus 1ab in 5ab, then on solving these two we will get plus 4ab. So here we will write plus 4ab. Now this is the remaining term, plus 1 upon 2ab. Here in the denominator nothing is given, so we will take 1. Now we have to take the LCM. 1 and 2 LCM is 2. 1 2 ja 2. 2 into 4 will be 8ab plus 2 1 ja 2. 1 into 1ab will be 1ab. On solving it, we will get 8 plus 1, 9ab upon 2. So this is your final answer of first question, first part. Now see another question, another part. Here also we have to do same thing. First of all, what we will do, we will take plus sign between these terms. Here also plus 16ab power 4 plus minus 20ab power 4 plus 2ab power 4. Now we have to open the bracket. 8ab power 4 plus and minus will become minus 6ab power 4 plus 16ab power 4 plus and minus will become minus 20ab power 4 plus 2ab power 4. Now next step what you have to do, all these are like terms because here alphabets are same. So first of all we will solve these two. 8ab power 4 minus 6ab power 4. 8 minus 6 is 2ab power 4. Alphabet we have to write as it is. 8 minus 6 will be 2. Plus 16 and minus 20, when we will solve these two, we will get answer minus 4ab power 4. Why minus? Because from out of 16 and minus 20, greater number is 20. So we have to put the sign of this greater number, that is minus. So we are writing here minus sign. Now this remaining term we have to write as it is, plus 2ab power 4. Now next step, 2ab power 4 minus 4ab power 4. Alphabets are same. This is plus 2 and this is minus 4. Plus 2 and minus 4, answer will be minus 2ab power 4 plus 2ab power 4 we will write as it is. Now here both are same but signs are different. This is 2ab power 4. This is also 2ab power is 4. But here it is positive number, here it is negative number. So we can cancel these two. Whenever digits and numbers are same but sign are opposite, then in that case what you have to do, you have to cancel those number and final answer will be 0. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number first. Now see question number second. Question number second, subtract. First part, so we have to subtract 3 upon 2 xy from 5 upon 2 xy. So in the subtract rule is that you have to use rule. What is the rule? The number which is written after from, that means this one we have to write first. 5 upon 2xy. This number we have to write first, and this starting number we have to write afterward, and between these two things we have to put minus sign. Why we will put minus sign? Because we have to subtract these two things. Now we will take LCM. LCM of 2 and 2 is 2. 2 1 ja 2, 1 into 5xy will be 5xy, minus 2 1 ja 2, 1 into 3xy will be 3xy. Now 5xy minus 3xy will become 2xy upon 2. These two will get cancelled, so final answer of this question is xy. So like this you have to do second question first part. Now second question fourth part. Subtract minus 6x square plus 2y square from 9x square minus 3y square. So what is the rule? The number which is written after from, that means this full number, we have to write first. This one we will write first of all, 9x square minus 3y square. Now this is starting number we have to write afterward, that means here we will write minus 6x square plus 2y square. And these two numbers, what we have to do, we have to subtract these two numbers. For subtract, what you have to do, you have to put minus sign between these two brackets. Now we will open the bracket, 9x square minus 3y square, minus and minus will become plus 6x square, minus plus will become minus 2y square. So what you have to do here, with this minus sign we have to change the sign of these two terms. Minus and minus plus, minus and plus will become minus. Now in the next step what you have to do, this is 9x square, this is 6x square. These two are like terms, so we will solve these two like terms together. 9x square plus 6x square will become 15x square. These two are also like terms. Why these two are like terms? Because their alphabets are same. Minus 3y square and minus 2y square. So minus 3y square and minus 2y square will become minus 5y square. So this is your final answer of this part number 4th. Now we will not be able to solve it. Why we will not be able to solve these two terms? Because these are not a like term, these are unlike term, alphabets are different. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number 2nd. Now see question number 3rd. Third question. Find the sum of each. Sum means you have to add these numbers, and numbers are 7a plus 6b. This is the first number, so we will put this first number in the bracket. In place of comma we will take plus sign. Another number, second number also we will take in bracket, 3a plus 9b. After that and is written, in place of and we will take plus sign. Now third number we will take in another bracket, 6a minus 3b. Now what we have to do, we have to open the bracket. This starting term we will write as it is, 7a plus 6b. Now outside this bracket on the left hand plus sign is coming. So with this plus sign we have to check the sign of these two numbers. So plus minus, minus 3a, plus plus, plus 9b. Similarly in the same way we have to do here also. This is plus sign outside the bracket, and inside no sign is there, no sign means plus only. Plus plus, plus 6a, plus minus, minus 3b. Now what you have to do, you have to write the like terms together. Like terms. This one, and this one. These three are like terms. So we will write them together. 7a minus 3a plus 6a. In the next step, what you have to do, these three are also like terms. If you will check, these three are also like term because they are having same alphabet, that is B. Now we will write these three also, plus 6b plus 9b minus 3b. Now These two numbers we will solve together. 7a minus 3a will become 4a, plus 6a we will write as it is. 6b plus 9b will become plus 15b, minus 3b we will write as it is. Now these two numbers, 4a plus 6a will be 10a, plus 15b and minus 3b will be plus 12b. Why plus? Because we have to put the sign of greater number. Out of 15 and 3, 15 is greater, 15 is having plus sign, that's why we are writing here plus sign. So plus 12b. So this is your final answer of third question, first part. Now see another part number third part. In this also you have to add. So first of all, in the first bracket we will write 3x square plus 4x minus 3. Then plus sign we will put. Then in another bracket we will write second number 2x square plus 2x plus 1. And in place of and we will take plus sign. And we will write minus x square plus x plus 9. So sorry, here it is minus 6. Now we will open the bracket first. Outside this bracket no sign is there, so we will write this bracket as it is. Outside this bracket plus sign is there, so we will check it. Plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Here also we will check. We will open the bracket and we will check the sign. Plus minus plus minus. Now in the next step what you have to do, you have to write the like terms together. This one and this one. These three are like terms. 3x square plus 2x square minus x square. Here in the x square number is not written, so we will take 1x square. Now we will write another like terms. Plus 4x plus 2x plus x. Number is not written, so we will take 1x. Now these are also like terms because they are not having alphabet. So these numbers, constant, what we call them constant. So these constant terms we will write now. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 6. Now we will solve them together. These two, 3x square plus 2x square will be 5x square. Minus 1x square we will do later on, so we will write as it is. Now these two numbers, plus 4x plus 2x will be plus 6x. Plus 1x we will do later on, so we will write as it is. Minus 3 and plus 1, which one is greater here? 3 is greater. What is the sign of 3? Minus. So in the answer also you have to put minus sign. And minus 3 plus 1, minus plus minus. So we will subtract these two. Minus plus minus. So on subtracting 3 and 1 we will get 2. Minus 6 is the remaining number, so we will write as it is. Now these two terms we will solve. 5x square minus 1x square will be 4x square. Plus 6x plus 1x will be plus 7x. Minus 2 and minus 6 will be minus 8. So this is your final answer of part number third. And now further we will not be able to solve because these three are not like term. These are unlike term. So this is the final answer of third question, third part. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number third. Now all of you see question number fourth. Here also you have to add. So what we will do first, we will put all the numbers inside the bracket and between those brackets we have to put plus sign as I had put here. Why we have to put plus sign? Because we have to add these numbers. Now we will open the bracket. 7x cube plus 3x plus 9 we will write as it is because on the left hand of the bracket no sign is there. Now here outside the bracket on the left hand plus sign is there. Plus minus minus plus minus minus 3x square plus minus minus 50. Now outside this bracket on the left hand plus sign is there, so we will again check. Plus 3x cube plus minus minus 6x square plus and plus will be plus 4x, and this plus and inside the bracket minus plus minus minus 6. Here also plus 12x square plus minus minus 6. Now bracket is open. Now what we have to do, we have to write the like terms. 7x cube minus 2x cube plus 3x cube. These are like term. Another like terms, square 1. These are the cubes. Now we will write square, minus 3x square minus 6x square plus 12x square. Now we will write x terms, those terms which are having x, plus 3x plus 3x, then plus 4x. Now x terms are over. Now we will write constant term, plus 9 minus 15 minus 6 again minus 6. Now we will solve these terms. 7x cube minus 2x cube, answer will be 5x cube. In that 5x cube we will add 3x cube, then it will become 8x cube. Now we will solve these three terms. These are like terms. Minus and minus is plus, so we will add these two. 3 and 6 will become 9, but we have to take the sign of greater number. When we will solve these two, we will take the sign of greater number. Out of these two, 6 is greater, sign of 6 is minus, but minus and minus is plus, so we will add these two. On adding these two, 9x square, and next number is plus 12x square. We will write it as it is. Afterward we will solve it. Now plus 3x and plus 4x will be plus 7x. Now these two number, plus and minus is minus, so we will subtract these two number. On subtracting we will get 6, but we have to put the sign of greater number. 15 is greater, so we will put the sign minus. Now these two number, minus and minus is plus, so we will add these numbers. 6 plus 6 will be 12, but both are of negative sign, so in the answer also we have to take minus sign. Now next step, this one is the single term which is having x cube, no other term is having x cube, so we will write as it is. These two are like terms because they are having x square. We will solve it. Minus and plus is minus, so we will subtract these two. 12 minus 9 will be 3x square, but you have to put the sign of larger number. Larger is 12, that is plus. Now this is the 7x. No other term is having x alphabet, if you will check here, so we will write as it is. These two are constant terms, so we will solve these two constant term. Minus and minus is plus, so we will add these two. 12 plus 6 will be 18, but you have to put the sign of greater number. Which one is greater? 12. 12 is having minus sign, so we will put minus sign. Now here you will check all these are unlike terms because here x cube is coming, here x square, here x, and here no alphabet is there. So this is your final answer of fourth question, second part. So like this you have to do question number 4th. So rest of the questions I will explain you in the next video. So all of you complete up to question number 4, and in case if you are having any doubt, then you can put the comment in the comment box. I will explain you in the next video.